this tutorial I will show you that how you can create Olymp Trade app account in just few easy steps. It's a very easy process to do. So to create an Olymp Trade app account, you need to open Play Store and here you can search for Olymp Trade. Here it is. You can open its official app and start downloading it. If it's already downloaded, you can simply update it and then you can open it. After opening the first time, it will show dashboard like this. It will ask you to allow some of permissions like notifications. You can allow it if you want and then you can click on get started and then you will see this type of dashboard here. You will see these type of notifications about the app like predict the price. If you think the price will be higher, after a minute press up. If you think it will go down, press down. And this is only for demo. If I press down here, you can see this type of notification here. Click next and then at last you will see this option of sign up. If you click on it, it will take you to this page here of registration. You can register your account by writing your email and setting your password, or you can also continue with your Facebook account or your Google account. I will continue this with my Google account. If I click on that Google icon, it will show me these some of my accounts. I will select any of the one that I use and then you can select register from here and that's it. Now it will ask you to start training. If you click on that start training, you will get information about this Olymp Trade. In header, we can select FTT assets varying profitability and it's just training. You can select I understand and then it will guide you to set the investment amount. Don't worry, this is training money like demo account. From here you can increase or decrease the amount and from here you can select duration of your trade and from this bottom side you can look at the chart and decide where it will go next or down. So for this tutorial, if I select here down, this chart will start moving in. Then at last you can click on complete training and that's it. We have successfully created Olymp Trade app account. Now this is the dashboard of this Olymp Trade. At the bottom side you will be on this terminal. If you open this trade section, you will see here all of your recent trades. You can open forex and stocks to see your history of trades. Then if you open this market, you will get this more info about trading conditions, signals, strategies, indicators and many more. And at this help section, you can get more benefits like 24/7 support. You can expand your knowledge about trading by just clicking on that education option, or you can get this trading tutorials from here. And that's it. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So that's how you can create Olymp Trade app account in just few easy steps.